So guys, I just ordered this from Amazon. This is the Mi Powerbank. It's 20,000 mAh. I paid 1,500 rupees for this. Do I really need this? Yes, I have two phones and sometimes I'm running out of battery on one. Mostly the Samsung. This is, it cost me about $14.99 like I said. I'm going to unbox this. So I just slid this out from here. Let's see what all we get. Okay, we get a power bank, and we get a cable. I think there is something in here. Give me a moment. So we get two things inside the box. We get the power bank, the Mi power bank, and we get this micro USB cable. Most likely I'll try to use a different cable because these micro USB cables sometimes don't charge fast enough. I think I'll have to unseal the sticker. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, so I'm guessing the thing in the middle is the micro USB cable and the two ports are there. I'm guessing there should be some charge inside here. Okay, it has... Let's charge it up then.